Hello, I'm Micks Mowers, my man, and welcome to my channel. In today's video will also be my little tiny Riley boy who is not very well at all. He's got an absolutely stinking cold, didn't you, buddy?
Yeah.
Stinking cold, and he is really feeling a bit low.
I think my dodgy.
We'll talk about that in a minute, mate. No worries.
Right.
He's been really not well at all, and it's been so cold. We haven't been able to get down the shed. This is the first time we've been down the shed in about 2 weeks. It is really cold, but I'm looking to get a new heat source, which there'll be a video coming very soon on that. We're very busy on the ramp up to Christmas. Riley boy's got Elf on the shelf, haven't you?
Yeah, I think my dodgy.
Yeah, Elf on the shelf left you a little, a big dog teddy bear, didn't he?
A hat.
And a hat with a hat on it, yeah.
A cake teddy.
And a little candy, yeah. It's good, isn't it?
Look at that.
Good. So we're on the ramp to Christmas, and there will be 1 or 2 videos coming out, which I've already uploaded, which are already there, so that's good. So you've got plenty of footage for you to see it over Christmas. And I'll be doing 1 or 2 other videos in between it, but I have a big announcement to make a bit later on in the video too. This is a bit of a natter video, that's all this is. So first things first, on the ramp to Christmas, I know we're in a cost of living crisis, and I know that people don't have a lot of money, but if you wanted your wife or your partner to buy you some Micks Mowers and merchandise, there will be a link in the comment section down below. And here are some of the merchandise pieces you can buy. Hats, hoodies, t-shirts, all that sort of stuff. There is a link for both the UK and the US market, so you can save yourself a bit of money on the shipping as well. So feel free to pass that link on to your loved one, and they can get you some Micks Mowers and merchandise. So that's good. You can do that if you want to. And also, someone has sent Riley boy a gift from Amazonian. If you open it that way there, son. Look, hang on, just here. Look. There's a little tiny tab just here. Look, there you go. Someone sent Riley boy. I know who it was. Sent Riley boy a little gift for Christmas. There you go.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Okay. So sit down. There should be a bit of paper here.
Daddy.
Here you go.
Daddy.
Yep, there you go. There's a love letter there. So Riley boy's been given some Spider-Man walkie-talkies. Now he's been on about these. If you've been watching my B&M videos where I've been shopping, that's what he's been asking for. And someone has sent Riley boy some Spider-Man walkie-talkies. They messaged me independently and said, Mick, I want to try and buy Riley boy something for Christmas.
Daddy,
yes, buddy.
I can find a B&M.
I know they're not in B&M, but this person here managed to find them on Amazon, and he got the address. Let's have a look.
Did you say?
Go on.
Maybe good for boy.
Good boy.
Joy.
Yeah, good boy.
Joy. Spider-Man walkie-talkie.
Yeah.
She'll find Corbo. For John, how far we... Josh?
Do you know what? If you can understand Riley's broken English, do you know what? He was about 50% there.
What's he say?
Which is really good reading.
What's he say?
So it says here, Merry Christmas, Riley. He's got that bit right. And I did hear you say the word enjoy. I hope you enjoy these super cool Spider-Man walkie-talkies from your friend, Cucumber John, from John Clem. So Big John
Daddy,
Clem.
I'll try again.
No, you try again.
Maybe Christmas for boy. I saw Joy.
Hope you enjoy. Yeah, good boy.
For
Be super cool.
Spider-Man walkie-talkie.
Yeah, your friend
Cucumber John. From Joe. For Cucumber.
You're nearly there, mate. Your reading is coming on so well.
Daddy,
That's down to the school he's at. So you've got yourself. We need to charge these up.
And talk together.
And we can talk together, can't we? So John Clemens very politely sent Riley boy a little pre-Christmas present, which brings me on to our next thing. They're yours. Go on.
It's a cucumber. You do it on Spider-Man 2020.
Thank you, Cucumber. So also down below in the pin section, I've also got my Amazon wish list, and I have made it a little bit more festive. So there are lots of little bits on there, particular for Riley boy. All types of little bits and pieces there, and you don't have to do it. I know money's tight, guys, right? I know it is. But if you feel the need to go over to my Amazon wish list and look at there's some Christmassy bits on there for Riley boy and for me and Mrs. P, joint sort of presents. If you want to do that, and if we get any parcels turn up, we'll do a pre-Christmas video of us opening the gifts and giving you shout-outs and bits and pieces, if that's what you want to do. As I say, I don't expect anything because money is tight. I understand that, but the Amazon wish list is there, so if you want to spread a bit of Christmas cheer for Riley boy, myself and Mrs. P, there are some bits on there. Or if you want to just send Riley boy a card or an email, just giving us 2 seconds, mate. 2 seconds.
What's up, mate?
Sending us some birthday, some Christmas wishes. I can send, if you send me an email, my email address is in my about page and also on my banner. If you send me an email, I will send you my address, and you can send Riley Boy, me and Mrs. P a little card, just to say Happy Christmas, and also a little shout out there as well. Or you can do it, just do it via an email. If you can't afford a card or something like that, send me an email wishing us a Happy Christmas. I'll print them off, and if I get enough presents and enough bits and pieces, I'll do a little pre-Christmas message shout out just to spread the warmth. What's up, mate? Well, it's because you ripped it. That's why. That's just it's only the packaging. That's cool. So, Amazon wish list down below for me, Riley Boy, Mrs. P. If you want to send me an email, that's fine. If you want to send a Christmas card, I can give you my address, and you can send a card for Riley Boy as well. That'd be good. Also, my Micks Mowers and Merman merchandise is down below too. So you've got all those things for festivity if you want to do it. If you want to beat the Christmas post, if they're not striking. But on top of that, we have one other thing to announce, and that is, of course, the Micks Mowers and Merman, a Christmas special live stream with special guests of mine. It is coming soon. It's coming on December the 17th at 8 p.m. UK time. I don't know what that is, whereabouts in the world you are, but if it's 8 p.m. UK time, just do a Google search how many hours in front or behind you are, and you can then come along and watch that. And here is a quick little intro of our Christmas live stream advertising campaign.
I touched one time.
'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. Then out of the mist came a very bright glow. Was it someone dressed in red that we all love and know? Nope, it was Micks Mowers, the mower man, with his Christmas helpers. So just before Christmas, come join in the cheer as Micks Mowers goes live. This only happens but once a year. Mick's Christmas live stream with special guests Bruce's Shop, The Mower Medic, Terrell Fixes All, Double Wide Six, Machinery Nation, Ken's Small Engines, Jimmy the Mower, and Zippo Varga. So sit back and relax on December the 17th when Mick and his friends will unbox a very special Christmas.
So there you go. There is the Christmas lineup for this year. So looking super, super happy towards that. And that should be great fun. And as I say, there is one space spare. And I think double wide six, you can't hang around long, I don't believe. So maybe 2 spaces spare. Where if you want to come on up and ask Bruce or Terrell or Mower Medic or Machine Nation, or you want to ask anyone a question, you can actually come up on the panel this year and ask a question, speak to these guys yourself. So if you are just a viewer, and you've never been up on a panel before and spoken to these people, then you can actually do it this year. There'll be like a 2 or 3 minute, 5 minute rotation. Try and give everyone a quick go if we can. And that way you can then maybe ask your YouTuber curator a question, or just want to wish people a happy Christmas. You can do that. So that'd be cool. So there you go. So that's it. So Amazon wishlist, Amazon Christmas wishlist is all up and running. Micks Mowers and Merman merchandise shop is fully open, so get your bits in for Christmas. And thank you very much to John Clem.
I touched one
For
time.
buying my little tiny Riley boy a little tiny festive present.
What's it say?
That's all in Chinese.
Hello. I'll try.
And just to spread Riley boy a little bit of a Christmas cheer. So if you want to do that, Amazon wishlist is down below. You can read. We're learning together, aren't we?
Yeah.
You're trying the hardest. So there you go. So I just want to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas. If we get a few gifts and bits and pieces, we do one just before Christmas too, just to open the presents up and do the old Christmas messages. We do that. But apart from that, don't forget to hit the old subscribe button, whack the old bell.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. That way, you'll be notified next time we upload another video if you put all your notifications on the bell to all. So look forward to the next episode of Micks Mowers very, very soon. But happy Christmas to you all, and we'll catch you on the next video in a couple of days. So look after yourselves and take care.